15 for my bros, yeah. 15 with my bros, yeah. Lagos, I wanna come home. Lagos, I wanna come home. Yeah. Show my raw.
STALKING on the track. STALKING on the track.
Guys, so this is the finished hair. Okay, so this took me around like a month and a half to make because this hair was very stressful to manipulate. Not the hair itself, it's just the whole process, dyeing it red and stuff like that. I feel like I should have I shouldn't have dyed the frontal because that was my biggest problem, and I really feel like the frontal looks weird. So to cover it up, I used concealer right here, and I used my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder to pat all over the frontal so it didn't look that red. It was my mistake, guys. I did not color the frontal correctly. For some reason, I thought that it'll wash off. That was so dumb. I literally put the color right on the frontal. Next time, if you're gonna color your frontal, I would suggest that you use either a Q-tip or you use a spoolie, since a spoolie kind of mirrors a comb to get to the roots, or to just leave your roots. I just wanted red roots, and I thought for some reason that it will not dye the frontal. That was very dumb of me, and that was why this video took longer to bring out, because I was trying to see how I could manipulate it so that I could, you know, use the hair. But I mean, I was able to work it out a little bit. I also thought of using color eraser, but don't do that because what's gonna do is bleach the frontal orange. I tried that. I tried bleach on the frontal. That was really dumb. It bleached the frontal orange and it made it weaker, so you don't want to do that. So if you next time, if you're going to color your frontal, please use a spoolie, or do not go right to the roots. I saw this when I was looking through one of the comment sections. If you use Got2b glue spray and spray it on the frontal, I mean on the lace itself, before coloring that, it's not going to stick to it. And what's going to happen is that it's going to stick to the gut to be glued, so you can just wash it off. If you guys want me to try that and see if it works, let me know in the comment section. I will do just that. But yeah guys, this is the hair. I really like it. The color is so vibrant without bleach. This hair was well behaved. It didn't give me a lot of issues. Seriously, I would definitely recommend this hair. I've used it now for a month and a half and it has not shed. I do definitely recommend this hair from Nadula hair. And yeah guys, this might not be my best makeup work. Seriously guys, I was trying out some shit, because doing makeup for red hair guys is an art. Seriously, I was trying out some stuff, so that's why if you guys are like, Zara, no, I mean, yeah, but it is what it is. I don't know, I don't think it's that bad, but I think I could do better, definitely. Guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.